What HVAC issues occur after replacing siding? The most common issues are blocked or damaged vents, restricted airflow, water leaks, and equipment problems caused by siding work. Replacing siding can affect heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems because outdoor units, exhaust pipes, intake vents, and wall openings may be near the work area. Workers might accidentally cover a vent, bend a pipe, loosen a connection, or place siding too close to an air conditioning unit. If a dryer vent or furnace exhaust is blocked, heat and gases cannot leave safely, which can cause poor performance or dangerous carbon monoxide buildup. New siding can also trap moisture if flashing around a line set, vent, or outdoor unit is installed incorrectly. Before work begins, take pictures of every vent, pipe, and unit, and mark their locations clearly. Afterward, check that each opening is uncovered, has the correct clearance, and is not filled with dust or insulation. Turn on the heating and cooling systems, listen for unusual sounds, and look for weak airflow, leaks, short cycling, or strange odors. If an exhaust vent was moved or damaged, have a qualified heating and cooling technician inspect it before using the equipment. One common mistake is assuming that a covered vent is harmless, so compare the finished wall with your before-work pictures and clear only safe, accessible debris. Another mistake is ignoring the outdoor air conditioning unit, since falling siding pieces can bend its fins or block airflow. Gently remove loose debris and arrange professional cleaning for crushed fins. A third warning sign is new moisture near the wall or equipment, which may mean missing flashing or a damaged refrigerant line, so shut down the system and request an inspection rather than sealing it yourself. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Jobit Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.